Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have something super cool and very, very unique to share with you guys. This is, well, let's move into the video. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this was sent to me by Northern Knives, and I'm going to link them right down below because I have scheduled this video to release at the same time that this will be releasing. Right? I say that because it's hard to. I'm just going by the dates they gave me. So I believe it will be available between now and the 5th, right, of May. But what we have here is a special. They sent me like a prototype version of this. But what this is? Oh no! Wait a second. Hold on. Did you? What's in here? Is this? Well, give me a second. I don't know if this is like packaging or if this is like a bonus thing, right? Hold on a second. Give me a moment to do something secret off camera. The tricky thing to open without damaging what might be inside. Watch it just be 2 pieces of cardboard. They sent me the, yes, this is what I was hoping for. This is cool, man. This is a collaboration between Paul Munko. He has the ColorfulFilth Instagram. Spelled just like it sounds, but you should definitely check him out. He's done collaborations with different companies and retailers where he's put his artwork on custom scales, and they always come out crazy and super unique. This time, they told me they were doing a special PM2. So it's a model that everybody's familiar with, but they're doing a special PM2 with some custom artwork, and then it comes with this comic book. I think we should go ahead and look at the knife. But I thought it was really cool that they had like a whole story like involved with the artwork on this knife. And I think this is going to be for those of you who like to collect like super unique stuff, right? If the Spyderco sprint runs or it's just like a different color of G10 and an interesting steel are not enough for you, this might do it for you. Wow. Holy moly. Look at that. Dude, this is insane. The level of detail on this is absolutely insane. And so they asked me, they're like, do you want to look at this? And I said, yeah. Immediately, yes, because the other stuff that I've looked at from Paul has just been off the charts cool, right? And that's generally speaking, look at this, guys. Or, wait, that's a plane on fire. Okay, I thought it was just like a burning guy in the background. But, man, the general, you know, whenever these are shown off on like Instagram, people just go nuts for them. And I think it's one of those things where even if the art style is not your cup of tea, or like what it is that he's drawing is not your cup of tea, look at this, more stuff on the back. Now I have to know what's going on. Now I have to read the story, right? But even if it's not, we can still appreciate the level of detail here, right? The laser and anno work involved. Look how they do the screws to match the various sections. Blue, right? Gold, bronze. We have some more gold on the back. A little bit of purple right there. Look at that. We got blue and gold standoffs, right? I think it's just a regular, no, it's an S45VN PM2. That is freaking cool, man. There's no way they let me keep this. There's no way. I guarantee. Maybe they've even said anything. I guarantee they're like, no, you gotta send that back. That is so cool. Oh, man. Wild. That is absolutely awesome. I love stuff like this, man. I don't know about you guys. Like, periodically, my ears perk up. If it's like a new Shaman or something like that, they're doing a Shaman sprint, right? And there's a couple other models, but anymore, I'm just like, great. What are you doing? You're doing, you know, freaking brown micarta, and you got it's some, I don't know, right? I don't know if I want to pay $80 more, you know. But for something like this is cool. It has a cool story behind it, and it comes with a comic. Like, I need to I need to know. So apparently it says copy something of 250. So maybe the run of knives is limited to 250, right? I don't know. But yeah, it looks like this is crazy smooth and very easy to operate. This was a prototype though, so I don't know. You know, it looks like maybe this one's been a little bit used or something like that, which is generally the case with the prototypes, right? But obviously, the ones that are brand new will be absolutely perfect. I cannot get over the level of detail. If you check out Paul Munko on, look at that. I love that. It's the reflectivity, the subtle reflectivity as you turn it, right? It's not just a flat ano or anything like that. It's actually got almost like it's like a metallic reflectivity to it, which is really cool. All the different colors and things. And there's just subtle texturing, certain parts of it you can feel a little bit. If you check out Paul Munko's Instagram, you'll see a lot of art like this in general. It's very colorful. Some of it is a little bit, you know, a happier tone. Some of it is less of a happy tone. But it's so colorful that it kind of confuses the senses, which is really fun, right? I don't know what the material is, if it's aluminum or titanium. I mean, I've got a titanium PM2 over here of my own. We can weigh against it. We'll see. I don't know who makes the scales. It's definitely not the standard stuff, right? Because that would be G10. So let's go ahead and weigh these two real quick and find out. They feel, honestly, the Thai one feels a little bit heavier. So maybe these are aluminum scales. 4.41 versus 5.04. So if they are Thai, they would need to be substantially more milled out. These are both, I mean, they both have the steel recessed liners and they're both milled out, right? So I'm going to guess that these are aluminum, which is fine. I don't know that I would really care either way. But that is just really exceptionally beautiful. That's just really, really awesome. Huge fan of that. They took the pocket clip off. I imagine they'll obviously include the clip. I don't know if these will come with the clip shipped or not, but they took the pocket clip off so that we could take a look at the art, right? So this is going to be, I mean, obviously you can use this, right? There's nothing that's going to stop anybody from using it. In fact, I would venture to guess that the artwork would be pretty durable the way that they did it, right? It would take, you'd have to like grind a rock into it to get it off of there, right? But if you choose to use it, that's on you, or up to you. I didn't say on, shouldn't have said on you, up to you. But my guess is that these are going to be collected, which is really cool. This is the kind of stuff that I like to see. This is the kind of stuff that anymore I'm much, much more interested as a collector, right? Primarily, I'm somebody who likes to use knives, somebody who, you know, I like to review things and talk about the utilitarian advantages of this or that element, but I am absolutely 100% a collector and enthusiast, and that is a heavy element of this channel. So stuff like this is very, very interesting to me. Thank you so much to Northern Knives and Paul Munko for sharing this one and allowing me to share it with everybody else. I will link the website where you guys can find this, Northern Knives, and I'll try to link his Instagram page. There is no affiliate link. There's not like, I'm not getting commissions or anything like that. I genuinely thought this looked really cool and wanted to share it with you guys. So thanks again. That's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.